Good morning, YouTube. How is everyone? I hope everyone is well. So it's a lovely day. As you can see, my face is being smeared by the sun. Hope you're all doing okay. So today we are going to start a new job. This will replace one of my other customers who sadly is no longer with us, which is very sad. But yeah, so what we're going to do today, guys, is we are going to get into the garden and do a nice little hit for this lady. I can tell how frustrated she was when we went to view the job, that she's not able to get out there and do the job herself. She's just getting older, you know, and she's on her own, so it's a little bit more difficult. So that's why she's called us. Yeah, one of our other customers recommended us, so which was lovely. Always love recommended jobs. But yeah, we're going to get in there, do a nice little hit on it, make a first impression, get that garden looking as good as it can do. Start off with this. There's loads to do, so what we'll do is I think we might be spending 3-4 hours, maybe, depends. Not quite sure yet. But yeah, so that's what we're going to do today. So just waiting for Gaz to arrive, and then we'll show you what we got. Okay, guys, so this is what we got today. Got Gary, looking lovely. So in here we've got lots of weeds and bits and bobs. We're going to take these bluebells out. The customer doesn't want them anymore because they spread like mad. Keep the daffodils and any other bits that she wants. Might try and rehome the bluebells somewhere. And then all just around here, lots of weeds and stuff in here and around this bed. And as you see down in there as well, loads of weeds. Some cutting back the sedums. And just moving along basically. Do the lawn, get it looking quite nice. So yeah, let's make a start and see how we get on. Oh, I need to get new boots. They like come through wet, so wet. Like. Oh, really? Yeah. That bad. Doesn't look like you got a hole, right? Huh? Doesn't look like you had like that. Like zombie apocalypse hits right now. Right now? Right this moment. And you had to pick one famous person to spend the zombie apocalypse with, who would it be? Famous person? Yeah. And what, and it was just you two alive? Yeah. Huh. Famous person? You had to pick a famous person to like... It has to be a female, man. Sorry. To survive the... Has to be a female. Has to be a female. Okay, yeah, if it's just you can pick one female celebrity and one male celebrity, and right. You have to spend the whole of the apocalypse with that person. But what if like you guys are the only survivors, and then you have to? Like, look, you're making this very complicated. And you have to like reproduce mankind again. Then that's why you've got the female. Yeah, but that's what I mean. I don't want the other male. Yeah? That's what I'm saying. You have to pick one. It has to be a female. That's what I meant. Yeah, but that's what I'm saying. So you can have one female. No, but you don't want the other male. You want competition then. Why is he making this so difficult? You want competition then. Right, so. Right, either way, so if I had to pick a man and a female. You had to pick a man and a female celebrity to spend an apocalypse with. Yeah. I actually don't know, to be fair. Scarlett Johansson, man. Scarlett Johansson? Yeah, man. Yeah. Just because she's hot, man. I bet it. But then... I wouldn't know, man. Any male. See, mine, if I was to pick, mine would be Keanu Reeves. Because I think he's just like... Oh yeah. I think he's like a nice guy. Pretty dope, you know. I think it'd be pretty cool to sort of like hang around with when the zombies are about. Yeah. And then my other one would be the Queen. Mate, if we went to Buckingham Palace, we'd have like proper security. No. Still plenty of work to do at the back of that one. And then, I mean, all this has been weeded all the way around there. All first cuts of first cut of the year and all first weed of the year. So just redefining the beds and then take shape as the year goes on and looks better. And then we still got to just do down here, but I don't think we'll get time today for that. It'll be next visit. But yeah, and then as you can see, this rose bed here we've weeded out, gone along, just stuck a new edge on there basically. There you go. Getting there, not bad. But when you look at the garden, what a difference it makes just having the grass cut. Just makes it look lovely. And some daffodils there. A nice little hydrangea. Rhodie ready to burst into life. What did you say? When did you say that? Oh, this morning? Yeah. Going to take this apple tree down as well at some point. I quite like it there, but customer wants it gone, so yeah. Sorry, it's quite bright and shining. Yeah, please, mate. Yeah. There's your final shot. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, that'd be awesome. And we'll see you in the next video. Take it easy.